This is the most expensive Maserati Levante ever at just under $200,000. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today I have something we've never had on the channel before, a crazy, expensive, and optioned out completely 2022 Maserati Levante Trofeo coming in at just under $200,000 for the MSRP. I'm not kidding you. No options spared. And the client who is taking delivery of this actually watches the channel and was happy enough to let me show it off to you guys before they took delivery. I had to show you because this is a crazy spec and you won't believe the price of some of these options on this Levante Trofeo. Now make sure you guys check out Yaniel here at Maserati Central Florida in Orlando, where he shows me all the beautiful rides like this 2022 Maserati Levante Trofeo. Make sure you guys give him a call or check the link in the description so you guys can get a hold of them and get one in your garage today. Now I know that this is the 2022 and we're doing 2023 cars, but you gotta make exceptions sometimes, this being one of them. Now I told you guys that the client actually watches the channel and allowed me to film this for you guys today, so I could not say no to showing off this beautiful spec. Now the client plans on getting this matte PPF, yes, paint protection film, and matte to help protect the Grigio Marattia matte paint. Yes, this is a paint that you've seen on Maserati promotional videos, and now you get to see it straight up, close and in person, and it looks crazy. Now I've seen this paint before, but I've not yet seen it on a Trofeo, which gives it an even crazier look with things like the carbon fiber accessories on the Trofeo, things like the red accents. It's just a whole different look. So let's talk about this and break it down, because $190,000 is a lot of money, but what do you get for this spec? Don't just think about the exterior, because there's a Fear Series interior as well. Yes, a custom interior we haven't seen yet. So as I said, Grigio Marattia matte. You can see that there is a nice metallic flake to this paint, and you'll see it as I go around it and kind of give you the walk around, and it hits different angles. It just looks crazy. And then you can see the lines in the car. I mean, just so aggressive. It's such a good look. Now let's talk about the Trofeo. What makes this unique as well as what you get normally? So the vertical slats with the center feed through, that's on the Trofeo model. You can also see the level 2 ADAS. Lets us know what kind of technology we have. Now we also have the carbon fiber lip up front for the Trofeo. All right, big honeycomb grille. And then on the sides, same thing, carbon fiber. This whole side piece and the side blade is all carbon fiber. All of that surround with the gloss black on the fog lamp, full matrix LED headlamp as well. And then you take a look and you see it looks crazy. Now, what also helps is the hood. As you guys can see, the hood has nostrils there because it's got to feed that twin turbo V8, a little bit extraction when it comes to the airflow. All right, then you come along the side and you'll really see that Grigio matte flake just shine. The Trofeo badge letting you know that this is the top of the line trim. So what does that mean? Well, we do have the chrome badging, but the red outline, and for the signature portholes from Maserati, they're black and red. Now for the wheels, 22-inch Orione wheels, staggered. They look insane. You have your gloss red calipers. All right, white script, Brembo brakes. It looks crazy because the brake disc looks small with these 22-inch wheels. It's just insane. Then we come along the side. A couple of things you'll notice. One thing here on the B pillar, yes, we have the Italian colors. All right, gloss black window moldings. We also have the body color door handles and some carbon fiber for the side skirts. That is for the Trofeo itself. Carbon on the side skirts and the B pillar done with that Italian flag. Now coming along to the back, Trofeo specific as well is the trident with the red stripe through on the C pillar there. So again, Trofeo specific for that look. And then coming along to the rear, the boomerang tails. All right, the Maserati insignia there. Everything's all smoked out. The Levante badge smoked out, and the V8 badge smoked out as well. Coming along the rear, for the Trofeo, you get a carbon fiber rear surround around the exhaust, and then going through the back bumper, this top piece right here, top portion, is all in carbon, black exhaust tips, and then you have a body color rear diffuser. All right, so everything looks really good. Because of the fact that you have a body color rear diffuser, it's still the Grigio Marattia matte. It's not a gloss black or anything like that, or just a regular color. It's actually body matched to this here. So it's just a crazy look, guys. Just check this out. This is top of the line. So far on the exterior, are you convinced? Are you not entertained? Because there's still more, all right? But just on the exterior, if you saw this on the road, would you not be drooling? Now under here is what makes us happy, right? The twin turbo V8, 3.8 liter Ferrari divided V8 with the red manifolds on the side, carbon fiber in the center shield, chrome on the V8 badge, and the Maserati Trident. But that's all aesthetics. Let's talk about the power. We know about this, right? 572 horsepower, 187 mile per hour top speed with a 3.80 to 60 out of this 8-speed ZF transmission, all-wheel drive. This is something that we can't get over. This engine, the sound of this, the performance of this, we're gonna miss it. And it's gonna be going away when the Trofeos no longer get this engine and they're getting the Maserati built Trofeo. I'm not exactly sure what the Levante will have when it's redesigned, but we know that the Grecale has a 530 horsepower Trofeo engine. So maybe it will be on the lines of where the Gran Turismo has a 550 horsepower Trofeo engine, which will only drop it 30 horsepower. But man, we have to just ravel at this, and just why we get to see them and hear them, enjoy them. I'm gonna shed a tear when I no longer get to see Trofeo engines. Let me tell you guys that. Oh, and just side note, if you guys couldn't tell, this is not detailed yet. Had to get a hold of it right away, especially before the customer came and took delivery. So, you know, hey, we got to get it done however we can get it done. But it's still beautiful, even though it's somewhat not clean. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because when you subscribe, it helps grow the channel and I get more opportunities to get more beautiful Levantes like this Trofeo behind me here today. So before we step in, you know we have to do our soft closed doors test. Let's see. All right. Yep. She's pulled in. So that means we have that option here. I always have to show that off because it wasn't a standard option on the 2022s. Maserati did have it as a standard option on the 2021s. But for this model year, they took that away. So if you have that, it's an option normally. Dual pane glass, hinge free design. You can open this wherever you like. And the B pillar is fixed. Now inside, look at this interior. We have never seen this on the channel before with the Fury Series Nero inserts, 3D carbon fiber, gloss carbon fiber on the paddle shifters, Nero and leather stitching. I mean, wow, this is insane. No expense spared for this model at all. Every option ticked. So let's actually sneak inside of here. Oh my God. All right. Where to start? Well, I kind of named everything without even getting in, but yeah. Steering wheel, natural leather as you guys are used to with the, you know, perforated on the side, but obviously those glossy paddle shifters right there, big Italian column mounted, those look good, right? Let's go to the door panel because the door panel gives you everything, all right? Nero leather up top, Nero leather in the center, Rosso stitching, Rosso on the armrest here. All right, you also have Rosso stitching to go with it. Bowers & Wilkins sound system, top of the line for this model. All right, and then you go up here and you see another Bowers & Wilkins speaker in the Alcantara pillar, which goes all the way up here. That looks really good, right? Okay, and then we go down here. We have the aluminum pedals. Obviously, we have the pedal adjusters because why not? We have every option. So you can move the pedals closer to you or further away from you. You have the aluminum side sill here, which is illuminated. All right, aluminum, this is illuminated, which, you know, shines a light here through the Maserati insignia, which glows. All right, then you have the Nero leather throughout the dash, Rosso leather throughout the dash. You have Rosso stitching throughout here, as you guys can see. All right, then we go over here above the glove box, 3D carbon fiber trim. You guys know this is my favorite. You can see that also in the center console. Big chunk of 3D carbon fiber because it's like a wicker basket. It actually is texturized like 3D, like they say. It's just insane. All right. And then the star of the show, the Pianiflude natural drilled leather seats in Rosso and Nero. Again, we've not seen a combo like this with the insert that is done in a different color. And this is part of the Fierce Series customization where you can do these seats this way. This spec, look at this. Look at this. Trofeo in the headrest to let you know we're in a special model as well. That's embossed there. Big panel roof, showing out all that natural lighting. I'm floored. You know, and obviously we have the normal stuff like the MIA system here. All right, underneath here we have our stowage, charging. We have our cup holders here. All right, in the Trofeo model you get Sport Corsa mode. Corsa being your most hardcore driving mode, gives you launch control. You can see on the Trofeo we have 230 on the dash. It's not going to get anywhere near that, but it's 230 on the dash. We know that 187 is our top speed. We also have the V8 badging there under the 4 on the RPM, and then a 7,000 RPM red line. And then if I were to start it, you can hear that V8 start to life. Trofeo on the TFT screen there. It's amazing. So let's turn the radio down. Let's put it in sport. Wow, that already sounds good. Hold it down, and then you're in Corsa. Softens the dampers there. Turns off your driving assistance there. Listen to this. That's just a little bit of a blip, and that sounds incredible. Guys, I don't know what else to say about this thing. You guys know all about the Trofeos. You know all about the Levante. It's so overwhelming how many options and how crazy this thing is. I'm flabbergasted. There's so many things to talk about, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I showed you now because you can see it and you can take it all in just by looking at it. Now, if you want a deeper dive into these Levantes, make sure you check out my other videos. But yeah, this is crazy. All right, so you know the rear is gonna look just as good, and we also have soft closed doors in the rear, so you will see that close itself. But look at this interior in the rear, guys. Look at this in the rear. I mean, wow. Rosso with Nero. All right, same Fierce Series inserts, as you guys can see here. Same Pianiflude natural drilled leather. You also have your HVAC controls there with the screen, the climate screen. You have your charging there. In the armrest, you will also have your 2 cup holders there, center feed through. You will also see on the door paneling here, Bowers & Wilkins sound system carries on. Rosso stitching with Nero leather and Rosso leather, all right, and the 3D carbon fiber with aluminum. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. And then you talk about the Alcantara headliner and the big panel roof that all obviously carry back here. I couldn't imagine. And of course, we gotta check the cargo in the back. This does come with the accessories, so you'll get things like the umbrella, the sunshade there. You get the weather mat and all that good stuff here. So you have tons of stuff when it comes to the extras here, which is why you see it all compiled here. 60-40 rear split, center feed through. I can't get under there because it's a lot of stuff going on here. But if you guys look at my other Levante videos, you have a false floor with extra stowage. You have your spare tire, your tire jack, your battery, all that stuff, tire inflate kit, all underneath here. It's easy to lift up when there's not much stuff back here. But yeah, it's just insane, all of the goodies that this comes with when you get the accessory package. Let's see how she shines with the switchback LEDs, full matrix LED headlamp, the fog lamp there as well, and on the matte mirror cap, you'll see the amber turn signal, and then the boomerang tail with the turn signal. Good look, right? Now guys, trust me, this is the part you were waiting on right here. This 2022 Levante Trofeo in Grigio Maratea matte with the red and black Fierce Series interior starts price at $160,900. After all of these options, you're looking at a total price of $189,016. That's after the $1,195 destination and preparation and delivery at $300. Holy crap. Holy crap. That is insane. Most expensive Levante I've seen ever. Now your fuel cost, 16, 13, 20, 16 combined city highway, 13 city, 20 highway. I did this last because I know you guys don't really care about fuel consumption where you're getting a twin turbo V8. All right, now, here's the real stuff. The Fierce Series Piano Fruity Natural Leather is $37.50 for that price. So this seating arrangement with the black and red two-tone, $3,700. This Grigio Maratea matte paint is $19,000. $19,000. Wow, just the exterior paint and interior colors is $22,000. Ooh, all right. And then 3D carbon fiber trim, $1,500. 22-inch staggered Orione painted wheels, $400. Photozone climate control, $1,100. Carbon fiber paddle shifters, $450. And your accessory package, $421. Now, the reason why this seems like a short list of options is because the Trofeo itself is the top of the line trim, so it comes with a lot of stuff standard. There's not much you can add to it, but the stuff you could add to it is sitting right here. All those boxes are ticked. So this is standard, all of the stuff that comes on a Trofeo automatically. All right, so again, it's already loaded up. And then you click every other box and you get what we have here today. So again, if you want to check that out to see exactly what we have when it comes to the Trofeo, make sure you guys zoom in on that. That's insane. Holy crap. All right, guys, so at $189,000, a $19,000 Grigio Maratea paint, and the Fierce Series interior, what do you guys think about this 2022 Maserati Levante Trofeo V8? Let me know. Is this not the baddest, meanest Levante you've ever seen? And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the most expensive Levante we've ever had on the channel. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love, guys. Thank you so much. Now, you guys can also check out the link for the Ron's Rise merch, check out my new hoodies I dropped for winter, and check out the social media pages. Now, with that said, make sure you guys subscribe, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.